Welcome back, everyone. I'm JTXRP, and today I have a cool new website to show you. It is called XRPL HQ. Very excited to show this site. I've known it's going to be up for a while, and I've seen it being advertised now, so I think it's safe to go ahead and make a video about it. But as some of you may be new that are watching this, or if you are a longtime holder in XRP, which many of us are at this point, but many will be getting into it new. Uh, some people might be looking for a hub to get into the XRP community because now that the lawsuit's over, many people, at least is my speculation, will be looking, how do I get into the ecosystem? What does it look like? And so this is, just as it says at the top, it's a central hub for the XRP community. And so I wanted to share this. I wanted to go through it real quick with everyone. I'm sure it's going to grow even more than it is now, but it just launched at the time of this video. So take that for what it is. As you can see here, a virtual community for all projects and companies building and beside the XRPL. So obviously some really well-known names within the ecosystem: Ripple, Xspectre, Flare, obviously, XUMM, soon to be XAMN, I think, XAMAN, for those of you watching in the future, Futureverse, and then of course they have you if you want to be here in the XRPL community. So you can reach out to them, I believe, on their Twitter or at the bottom if you want to promote on their website. Let's just flick over here. We also have XRP Hub Podcast, BitTump, XRP Scan, XRP Toolkit, as well as 2O Labs. I think those are also mentioned down here. As you can see, BitPay, Spend the Bits. They have payments, wallets, DeFi, content creators, hey, as well as exchanges. So let's just burn through here real quick. There's the payments. There's the wallets, Decent, Ledger, as we're all familiar with, Uphold, and Gem Wallet. I'm actually not as familiar with that one, so I'll have to go check that one out. I've already learned something new and, coming here. So there's always something new to learn in crypto, right? DeFi, there's Allbridge, Sologenic, and liquidity providers. Again, maybe something more to look into. Content creators, many of you might recognize many of these faces. Coin Club, Currency, Digital Perspectives, Blockchain Backer, Bearable Bull, and the Digital Asset Investor, as well as myself. So I was very grateful to be included, and I wanted to make this own standalone video to show this because it's just cool. And on top of that, it's nice to be, in here. So on top of that, this is the biggest part for me. We get to see exchanges start to be listed again with XRP. So how exciting is that, right? Uphold didn't seem to make it into this page for some reason. Not sure why that is, but there's Coinbase and many more that need to be added to here now that they are going to be relisting or have relisted. So I'm sure this will be updated very soon, as that was only about a week ago that happened. So and then they want to be a place for projects building on the XRP network. So they've listed a few here. The mission, of course, is to simplifying the XRP accessibility, which I greatly appreciate. Someone getting into this and trying to share all the projects that are going on is kind of hard sometimes. And so that's why it's one of my missions to make it easier. But this hub, I think, will do great for anyone new to the XRP community, which is why I'm sharing it. The XRPL HQ brings the major projects across the ecosystem into one place, providing a seamless experience and one-stop shop for everything on the XRP network. The future with XRP. The XRPL HQ is a home to a virtual community that cultivates learning, growth, and the burgeoning projects and increased development on the XRP network as we pursue mainstream adoption, which is the hope, right? So they have some articles, which I'm hoping to see more added to for sure. Then they come down, which is great. You can watch XRP grow and always come back. We're at rank 4 right now out of the top tokens. So, and this is cryptocurrency prices by coin market cap, which I'm sure, by market cap, maybe not by coin market cap. My apologies. But you can see the market cap here, the volume. You can hit show stats and it'll show even more. We can scroll down. And of course, if you wish to advertise with them, you can reach out and give them your email. But I think this is a great start to a hub for the community that I'm excited to see grow. I can't wait to see maybe stop back in 6 months or so and see how it's grown. But if you're a project that's wanting to get on here, please reach out to them. I desire a hub, and I think this is going to be a great place if all that works out. So, again, just wanted to share. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Will you be sending this to friends? I'm personally going to put this on a playlist for new people that are coming to the XRP community so that they know that this is here and they can get plugged in. But again, super excited. Let me know your thoughts. I'm JTXRP, and I'm out.